Hey everybody, my name is Jeremy Finnegan. I work at Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, and I am the water heater specialist for Pipe Wrench. And today we're doing a minor repipe and installing a new 50-gallon gas water heater. Well, I started looking on Indeed, and I was really looking for something that was felt like a family than just a place to work. And I saw that Pipe Wrench came up there, and really what set them aside was their job listing, and it just felt like more of a family environment versus just your regular old job where you're just there to work and you're just another number to them. You actually felt like you're a part of something. Applied through Indeed and went in for an interview a week later and did a ride-along, and been here ever since. So before Pipe Wrench, I actually worked at a copier sales company where it was outdoor sales, and I loved it, and it was a good, especially a good learning experience. I loved everything they taught me. But after 5 years of doing it, I was successful at it. I just woke up one day and I was like, well, I have a GI Bill. I didn't go to school, so went to school for HVAC and plumbing, and after I graduate from there, started working for Pipe Wrench. And before copiers, I was in the Marine Corps, medically retired from the Marine Corps. Was in there for about 6.5 years, and I was an artilleryman, and my skill set didn't really transfer very well over to the civilian world. So decided to go down a path of trades, and haven't regretted it since. Well, everything's a new day. There's nothing that's really exactly the same. You get to kind of be inventive, I guess, in the way that you run the lines and everything like that, and when it looks real good, you get a good sense of accomplishment after you do it, and that everything's all nice, level, and plumb, and it just makes you feel good at the end of the day, knowing that's something that the customer is going to see every day that they're in this home. So I have a wife. We've been married a little over a year now. October 5th was our anniversary. Really, outside of work, I enjoy spending time with my wife, hang out with friends, skateboarding when I can, snowboarding, and going to the gym. Go to the gym every morning before work at 4 a.m. Stay there till about 6, and then back on the next day. And I think physical health, you gotta take care of yourself to be happy. So it's my way, without taking medicine or anything like that. It's a good stress relief, and it's basically all I do.